So Vasant Ravale. So now I would like to call Vasant. So put the hands together and give him a big round of applause. So Vasant, name prepare.
Archana.
Archana. Okay.
Hello friends. Hello sir. Today I want to say about Archana. It is a real story. Can I start?
Yeah, please carry on.
Archana was born in a remote village in Kerala in 1992. When he is studying in 9th standard in a government school, suddenly when playing in a ground, he suddenly met with an accident. He fractured a backbone. Her father is a postman. He financially poor. Her father's dream to become a doctor. After completing 9th standard, he is joining in a 10th in a government school. After completing 10th standard, become 10th standard, he good rank at 10 points CGP. After completing 10th standard, he joining in a intermediate by BC. After completing intermediate, he joining in started to written an exam in MSET. He got a She got a good rank in MSET. After he joining in BTech, he he started trading. He started trading to how to become a doctor and how to reach her father's dream. After completing BTech, he started learn how to become doctor. He started joining in a government hospital and how to how to do work and how to teach, how to study, whether they how to teach patients and how to help patients. After completing her degree, he started new hospital and after her father's dream fulfilled. When her father came to her doctor, he fulfilled her father's dream. This is when seeing Archana's story. What did you understand about Archana?
So he is asking questions to you. What did you understand after listening, after knowing about Archana's story?
Archana's story.
Tell me.
Tell.
So let me tell you and please.
After seeing
Let me tell
Archana,
you.
let me tell you. After seeing Archana, he faced many problems in those days. After facing more problems, he reached her goal, her father's dream fulfilled.
This is the
When in our life also face many problems. After facing many problems, we can achieve our dream. This is the story of Archana.
super fantastic. Get a clap for చెప్పండి Mr. Vasant. Mr. Vasant. The way you told about Archana, it's really inspiring. Okay, outstanding. వసంత్ చాలా చక్కగా ఇచ్చాడు. వసంత్ ఏం చెప్తున్నా అంటే ఉమెన్స్ ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు కూడా ఓకే ఇప్పుడు అర్చన వచ్చి చాలా స్ట్రగుల్స్ ఫేస్ చేసింది. వాళ్ళ నాన్నగారు చనిపోయినా హెల్త్ ఇష్యూస్ ఉన్నా ఓకే అయినప్పటికీ ఆ గోల్ ఆమె అచీవ్ చేసింది. ఓకే దాన్ని ఎలా చెప్పాలంటే కొంచెం నువ్వు డిఫికల్ట్గా ఫీల్ అయ్యావు అక్కడ. ఎలా చెప్పాలంటే చూడవు, ఈవెన్ దో అర్చన హ్యాస్ ఏ మెనీ హెల్త్ ఇష్యూస్, ఈవెన్ దో అర్చన father died, okay, Archana fulfilled, Archana achieved, Archana fought the financial struggles and her health issues and she achieved the dream, her dream, and she fulfilled her father's dream. So from this what it be understood, even everybody, even every woman has a challenges in every step. We need to fight and we need to go forward and we need to achieve the dreams. Everybody has financial problems, health issues. Okay, we should not give up. Okay, ila చెప్పొచ్చు. సరేనా? కంక్లూషన్. ఓకే, బాగా చెప్పాడు, చాలా బాగా అందంగా చెప్పాడు, అలానే చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, సో సూపర్ గిట్ క్లాప్స్ ఉంది ఇప్పుడు.